Blake from Wadsworth, Ohio, has a question about a bathroom floor.
Yeah, his master is carpeted, and he wants to go another way.
Yeah, that's gross, actually.
Blake writes, I'm looking into luxury vinyl flooring, but there's so many options, and they all seem to be the same. So, Tom, Blake wants to know, which one do you recommend?
I don't recommend one at all. They all are the new trend.
Okay.
When Pergo came out with a laminate floor.
Oh, I remember those days.
That was the only thing you had.
Right.
Then eventually there was like 52 manufacturers, and they all made a decent product.
Right.
They really did, as long as you install it properly. So go with the looks. Go with a good quality company that knows what they're doing. Now, I know Texas Floors is not in Ohio,
right?
Because it's Texas Floors, but you want to find someone like Jason or Ryan in Ohio that know their flooring, and just get the one that really like the look of. But it is the thing coming now, are these vinyls, and everybody's getting into the business. The technology is there, so everybody's kind of probably doing about the same thing. It's just a matter of putting it down to their specifications.
The only problem we've had with our vinyl floor, our plank floor stuff, is that in our kitchen upstairs, the air conditioning in the building goes off on the weekend, and it gets warm, and it has shrunken in places to where there are gaps in between the planks. Now, Jason said they can come out and adjust it and fix all that, but just bear that in mind when you're putting that kind of thing in. If it's not going to be a controlled space, and you're going to have some movement.
You have the same problem with the laminate floors, because I have some places in my house that have always expanded and left a little gap. You have the same problem with wood floors.
Right.
You even with carpet, when it starts to pucker because of the humidity changes, at least here in Houston.
Well, it's interesting you say that, because later this week we've got a question on that very topic.
Oh, nice.
All right.
Puckering.
We like it when we get your questions, so send them to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com, fill out that Ask Tom form. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.